A quick update on a cross protocol here. She is up almost 23% on the week here. So let me go ahead and you can see that going from the high here to the low, just looking at the chart, it pretty much came up to the 2618 and got stuck at about 115, and then you kind of fell off the table. You did just make a lower low, so that's not a great look. So what I would watch on a cross protocol here is we'll get into the other one in just a moment. But you can see we're getting stuck right at the 1618 at about 30. So if you cannot get back over 30 here, then off of that lower low, you do run the risk of coming down to a lot lower targets here. So from that top there, you're down 88%. And then if we draw another one going from the high here to the low, if I can see, I know it's a little bit messy. You could see a confirmed bottom short term would be over about 35. So if you can get over 35 and off of this little bounce on the 144 area and over the point 0.5 here, maybe you have a shot at moving back up, back over about 39. 39 is your low to the high bullish target here to get over. If you can get back over 39 to be bullish on the macro, then we can start looking at the higher targets and the higher prices here. But due to the fact that you broke the 382, you're back testing this area here. If you cannot get back up here, even if you do come back up here and you get a spike up and you cannot get back over 39, then that is still bearish here for a move up of about 34, 35%. And then at that point, you'll kind of fall off the table. And as we know, not getting or breaking rather below that 382, that does put in play, of course, the point 0.5 you're bouncing off of now, but you could easily drop all the way down to this 618 at 15 and still drop 50%. So we're seeing a lot of that around. These 50% drops are kind of lingering unless we start moving up and getting over some targets here. So we will see what happens on those prices there. And in the long run, let me go ahead and pull that off of the chart. Where's this thing going to end up? So if we can get and hold over some prices here and get this thing moving, the top of the fib's not that far away from where you are. But if you go lower, then there's no way this thing's going to hit $10 anytime soon. But you can see if it holds up, gets over that 3.2, you got a 30x in play all the way up to 10 here from where you are. So of course, comment down below, where do you see this thing ending up? And from today, if we can get up here and hit about $4 to $5, that's where you're going to get about a 13 to a 14x to the 3618 here on a cross protocol here. But as of right now, like I said, the fact that you're kind of breaking down here and you made a lower low, that is not bullish right now, at least short term. So there's a chance this thing could end up coming down. Like I said, unless you get over those prices there, we'll see what happens. Momentum is trying to shift up on the stock RSI here on the weekly. You can see that cross and it's starting to move up here. So maybe we get that momentum coming in and we get this thing moving up. So like I said, comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.